Everyone, I welcome all of you to the Jhamajam Sunday, Jhamajam Beauty Sunday. How are you? How are you? Bolo re Baba, how are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Rohit, Mohan, everyone. Good morning, Chitranjan. Very good, beta, very good. Aajao re Baba, aajao re Baba, aajao re Baba. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Aajao, Divyesh, welcome, beta. Ravi Teja, welcome. Vamsi, welcome. Anshuman, welcome. Ramchandran, welcome. Aditi, welcome. ओके चलिए आ जाइए आ जाइए आ जाइए हाँ सो అందరకు శుభోదయం. ఐ హోప్ యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెల్. మీ ఆరోగ్యం ఎలా ఉంది? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా? ఓకే చలియే those who are coming first time for my class, uh, let me introduce myself. I'm Devendra Singh Negi. uh, I completed my MTech from IIT Bombay. I'm GATE All India Rank 1 2019 and 2020 in Engineering Sciences paper. I'm teaching for GATE and ESC since 8 years. The subject which I'm teaching are thermodynamics, applications of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machines, and heat transfer. And this is the subject which is common. These are the subjects which are common for fluid mechanics, hydraulic machines are common for mechanical and civil basically. Okay. चलिए आइए बेटा जल्दी 976 फॉलोवर्स 1000 फॉलोवर्स जैसे ही होते हैं, the moment I will be having 1000 followers, I will come live on Instagram and I will be having the chit chat with you people. Okay. जो भी आपको पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस पूछने आप पूछ सकते हैं. ठंडी बॉस वेलकम बेटा, वेलकम. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज माय प्रोफाइल ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस. यू कैन सी आई एम द रैंक 11th एडुकेटर ऑन अनअकैडमी प्लस. बिल्कुल साइंतन. Now listen carefully, my friend. This is my contact detail 8292244719. And the good news for you people is now on Unacademy Plus we are having the courses according to your requirement. If you are in third semester, we will be running the subject which are in your third semester. Explore batch for SAM 3, explore batch for SAM 5th, and then for the final year student and passed out student, we are having Mission, GATE and ESC batch. Oh my God, so many people were asking, sir, what are the subjects you are going to start on Unacademy Plus now after fluid mechanics? So my friend, very soon I'm starting heat transfer, and it is in 5th semester also. So kindly join Unacademy Plus immediately. And those who are looking for the rank improvement, in rank improvement batch, I'm starting fluid mechanics and thermodynamics very soon. I'm going to start these three subjects: heat transfer in Mission, GATE and ESC batch, and rank improvement batch. I will be taking fluid mechanics and thermodynamics very soon. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And this is today's Jhamajam schedule of Sunday. Oh my God, this is the Jhamajam Fluidi Sunday schedule. This is Jhamajam Fluidi Sunday schedule. Morning 10 o'clock in this class, we will be discussing the pressure measurement part 1. Then we will be discussing pressure measurement part 2 at 11:30 a.m. Then 3 p.m. then 4:30 p.m. then 8 p.m. Do you want more classes? बोलो रे बाबा, आपको और क्लासेस करनी है आज, If I feel attendance is good, I will be conducting 2 more classes for you. I will be stretching myself and I will be conducting 2 more classes for you. Let us see how is the response. I'm telling you clearly, if I'm getting good response, hydrostatic forces on curved surface, I will complete today only. Hydrostatic forces on curved surface, I will complete today only. No problem. Anything for my students. 100%. These are the subjects these are the classes which I'm going to take. If attendance is good, I will be stretching myself. आ जाओ रे बाबा. चलो, nanometers start करते हैं. What is the today's topic, my friends? We have seen the basic classes of the pressure, where we have seen what is the meaning of pressure, what are the units of the pressure. Then we have seen what is the meaning of gauge pressure, positive gauge pressure, negative gauge pressure, and we have seen what barometer also. Now, yes, barometer also we have seen. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss the manometers, pressure measurement devices. We are going to discuss what? Pressure measurement devices. क्या होता है pressure measurement devices? I am talking about manometers. In today's class, we will be discussing manometers. What are we doing? No problem, Sayantan. No problem, beta. Now listen carefully. Pressure measurement means what? Pressure measurement device is what? Manometer. अब ये manometer होता क्या है? What we do in manometer, listen beta carefully. In manometer, what we are doing is we are using the column of suitable liquid to measure the pressure. कॉलम ऑफ सुटेबल लिक्विड, कोई एक लिक्विड का कॉलम होता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम प्रेशर मेजर करते हैं. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, माय फ्रेंड्स, ब्यूटीफुली, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. बेसिकली मैनोमीटर्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. जो मैनोमीटर्स होते हैं वो दो टाइप के होते हैं, simple manometer and differential manometer. Now you people will be saying, sir, what is the meaning of simple manometer? The manometers which are used to measure the pressure difference between a point and local atmospheric pressure. It measures the pressure difference between a point and local atmospheric. That means simple manometer will be giving you either gauge pressure, means positive gauge pressure, or negative gauge pressure. Whereas there is something called differential manometers, they will be measuring the pressure difference between 2 points. They will be measuring the pressure difference between 2 points. चलिए मैं आपको क्लियर करता हूं बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. Listen carefully. I'm telling you, please observe. Look at here. Let me say I'm having manometer. This manometer family, we can divide into two parts. This manometer family we can divide into two parts. Look at here. The first part is simple manometer. The second part is, bolo re baba, what is the second part? Bolo re baba, clearly tell me what is the second part. Bolo re baba, type in chat box. Yes, excellent. I want you people to involve. So differential manometer. Now listen carefully. What is the function of, very important my friends, if you see the previous year questions, agar aap log previous year question dekhenge, 100% you will be finding people are asking questions from the manometer se bahut question aate hain. There are so many questions which people are asking from this particular chapter, so be careful. You will be studying this chapter with your open eyes. No one will sleep with the open eyes. Chalo. What is the function of simple manometer? Simple manometer will be measuring the pressure difference between a point. Let me say the pressure at a point is P. So pressure difference between a point and the local atmospheric pressure. Of course, if the local atmospheric pressure is more, it will be measuring P ATM local minus P. Fine. What is the meaning of differential manometer? What differential manometer will be measuring? So look at here. They will be measuring the pressure difference between 2 points. Let me say at point 1 pressure is P1, at point 2 pressure is P2. So they will be telling us what is P1 minus P2, or let us suppose P2 is more, then they will be telling us how much is a P2 minus P1, how much is P2 minus P1. Now look at here. If I want, I can divide simple manometer into three types. Simple manometer को कुछ हिस्सों में तोड़ सकते हैं. For example, the first part is piezometer. The first part is what, my friends? Piezometer. Second part is U-tube manometer. एक एक करके सब देखेंगे बेटा. One by one we will see everything. U-tube manometer. Then we will be seeing single column manometer. एक एक करके everything I will be telling you. Single column manometer. Attendance is good. More than 150 students are watching the class. Single column manometer. Don't worry beta, if attendance is good, I will discuss hydrostatic forces on curved surfaces. Today itself I will complete for you people. Now this single column manometer, Manikanta, good morning beta. Now this single column manometer is divided into two parts. One is vertical single column manometer, and one is inclined single column manometer. Now listen carefully. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन लेना बेटा. Now listen carefully. Differential manometer is also divided into two parts. Differential manometer is also divided into two parts. YouTube differential manometer, YouTube differential manometer, YouTube differential manometer, and the second is what? Inverted YouTube differential manometer. Second one is what? Inverted YouTube differential manometer. Now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. If you see, there are total 6 things. If you observe, good morning beta, good morning everyone, good morning everyone. Are you ready for the Jhamajam classes? Bolo re baba, are you ready for the Jhamajam classes? Bolo re baba, are you ready? Are you ready? Bolo re baba, good morning everyone, good morning. Yes. Chalo. Now I will be telling you the complete things. Now listen carefully. I have divided pressure measurement into 3 parts. The first part is piezometer and YouTube manometer. In first part, I will be discussing what is piezometer, what is YouTube manometer. Then in second part, I will be discussing what is vertical single column manometer, what is inclined single column manometer. Then in third class, I will be discussing what is YouTube differential manometer, what is inverted YouTube differential manometer. And then in the next 2 classes, we'll be solving the problems related to pressure measurement. Whatever the difficult problem, whatever the easy problem, whatever the medium problem came in GATE exam, we are going to discuss here today itself, so that your complete preparation will be over. Now the next thing, if attendance is good, I will be discussing the hydrostatic forces on curved surfaces today itself. I will take 2 extra classes and I will complete it. So that from Monday onwards we can start the 4th chapter. From Monday onwards we can start the 4th. Are you ready? Chalo beta, start karte hain. Let us start with piezometer. Ready? Yes. क्या होता है piezometer? What is piezometer? How piezometer looks like? बोलो रे बाबा, piezometer कैसा दिखता है? How piezometer looks like? बोलो रे बाबा. What is piezometer? How piezometer looks like? कैसा देखा है? पिज्जा की तरह. Okay. Piezometer looks like pizza. Okay. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आ जाओ. डब्बा. ओके, कैसा दिखता है? अरे पिज्जा की तरह. ओहो. Now look at here. I will be telling you, my friends. Please observe carefully. How piezometer looks like. Piezometer is nothing. It is a simple glass tube which is opened. Yes, it is simple glass tube which is open from both ends. Now you will be surprised. अब आपको थोड़ा सा सरप्राइज हो रहा होगा कि सर ये तो एक छोटा सा, मतलब एक कांच का ग्लास ट्यूब, इससे कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं प्रेशर? हाउ कैन वी मेजर द प्रेशर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सिंपल ग्लास ट्यूब? देखो, दिस इज योर पीजोमीटर, my friend. This is your piezometer. Now you will be very surprised, sir, with this glass tube, how can we measure the pressure? How can we measure the gauge pressure? I will be telling you. कैसे measure करता है? I will be telling you. First of all, you try to understand one thing. This is nothing. It is simply a glass tube. Which is open from both ends. Very good. अब ध्यान से देख लेना. Connect कैसे करते हैं? Now listen carefully. How are we going to connect? Please observe carefully. Let us suppose I am having some pipe. ये पाइप है रे बाबा. This is the pipe. अब ये मैं आपको कैसे बनाकर दिखाऊं? चलो ऐसे बनाकर दिखाता हूं. Yes. देखो. Let us suppose I am having a pipe like this. Now if you see this pipe from here, क्या दिखेगा आपको? What are you able to see? If you see from this side, what are you able to see? A circle. So this circle is representing the pipe. Yes, this circle is representing the pipe. अब ध्यान से देखना कैसे अटैच कर सकते हैं. कैसे अटैच करते हैं? आपने एक होल किया टॉप पर, यू ड्रिल्ड वन होल एट द टॉप एंड नाउ यू आर कनेक्टिंग एट द टॉप, नाउ यू आर कनेक्टिंग एट द टॉप, ऐसे अटैच कर दिया, नाउ यू आर अटैचिंग लाइक दिस, फाइन फाइन। क्या होगा? what will happen? what will happen? 100%, whatever the flowing fluid I am having, whatever the flowing fluid I am having, इसके अंदर पाइप के अंदर जो भी फ्लूइड फ्लो कर रहा होगा, whatever the fluid will be flowing, it will rise, it will rise in piezometer, it will rise in piezometer, it will rise in piezometer, वो राइज कर जाएगा पीजोमीटर में, एंड आई विल बी एबल टू सी द लेवल, आई विल बी एबल टू सी द लेवल। ना कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं सर सर why are you connecting on the top? देखो अभी कैसे कनेक्ट किया बेटा, how I'm connecting piezometer, कहां? ये मेरा piezometer है, ये मेरा piezometer, मैंने क्या किया, ऊपर में होल कर दिया, ऐसे कनेक्ट कर दिया, like this I have connected. I hope you are able to understand the diagram. That's how I connected the piezometer. sir bottom से भी कर दो ना, sir bottom से भी कर सकते हैं, sir can we connect the piezometer from the bottom also? yes 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 yes, both sides are open to atmosphere beta Naseem. Now look at here, now look at here, yes yes yes, now listen carefully, listen carefully my friend. Generally in pipe flow you are having full flow, okay? नहीं हो रहा है तो आप बॉटम से कनेक्ट कीजिए, यू कैन कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द बॉटम आल्सो, यू कैन कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द बॉटम आल्सो। सर बॉटम से कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? सर बॉटम से कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे? देखिए मैं बताता हूं आपको बॉटम से कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे। आपने क्या किया, बॉटम में होल किया, यू हैव ड्रिल्ड वन होल एट द बॉटम, यू हैव ड्रिल्ड वन होल एट द बॉटम, ध्यान से देखना बेटा, एक अटैचमेंट कनेक्ट किया, यू कनेक्टेड वन अटैचमेंट, and now here you are connecting the piezometer, now here you are connecting the piezometer, here is your piezometer. Now listen carefully, try to understand what I'm saying, listen carefully, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन लेना बेटा, what I'm saying, listen carefully. Let us suppose the level of fluid is up to here, the level of fluid is up to here, when I'm connecting from the bottom, when I'm connecting from the bottom, आप लोग को क्या लगता है जो लेवल फ्लूइड का होगा वो यहां तक होगा, इससे नीचे होगा या इससे ऊपर होगा? बताइए कहां तक लेवल होगा लिक्विड का, कहां तक लेवल होगा फ्लूइड का? कैन यू टेल मी अप टू वेयर आई विल बी हैविंग द लेवल ऑफ द फ्लूइड, up to where I will be having the level of fluid? Can you tell me? Same level, yes yes yes, very good beta, very good, level will be exactly same, level will be exactly same, don't worry about that part, level will be exactly same. I will be telling you the reason also, I will be telling you the reason also, don't worry, I will be giving you the justification also. There is a small difference between piezometer and pitot tube which I want to tell you. Let us see first. I will be asking you one more question. Can I connect the piezometer from the side also? Can I connect this piezometer from the side also? Can I connect this piezometer from the side also? अगर मैं साइड से कनेक्ट करना चाहूँ, yes बिल्कुल, yes yes yes, of course I can connect from the side also, I can connect from the side also. I will be drilling one hole, I will be drilling one hole. The moment I'm drilling one hole, look at here, what will happen? This is the extension which I'm connecting, this is the extension which I'm connecting. Now what will happen? Observe carefully, what will happen? 100%, 100%. This is the piezometer, this is the piezometer which I'm having. Now look at here, it is getting connected like this, it is getting connected like this. Oh my god, yes 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 yes. Observe carefully, here also if you see, the fluid level will be like this. So doesn't matter wherever you are connecting, on the top, on the bottom, or on the side walls, doesn't matter, the level of the fluid in this piezometer will remain same. Now you can ask me, sir, why the level of the fluid remains same? Because I will prove in chapter number 5, fluid dynamics, then when the fluid is flowing through the pipe, when the fluid is flowing through the pipe, streamlines. I know you are not aware of streamlines and all right now, but remember in chapter number 5, I will prove that whatever the fluid lines, whatever the streamlines I'm having in a pipe flow, they are straight streamlines. And in case of straight streamlines, the fluid pressure varies like hydrostatic fluid. मीन्स वही रो जी एच वाला फार्मूला लगाकर वहां पर प्रेशर डिफरेंस निकाल सकते हैं. वी कैन फाइंड द प्रेशर डिफरेंस इन अ पाइप फ्लो बाय यूजिंग द हाइड्रोस्टैटिक लॉ फार्मूलाज. सो रिमेंबर आप चाहे यहां पर लगाओ. देखो 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 व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. यस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. लिसन, whether you connect on the top, whether you connect on the top or whether you connect on the bottom, take one attachment, whether you connect here or you connect on the side, you connect on the side, एक attachment लो, you connect on the side, everywhere the level of liquid will remain same, level of fluid will remain same. नहीं बेटा नहीं, मिलन, be crystal clear with this, level will always remain same, doesn't matter. अब देखो ध्यान से, now listen carefully. Let me say the fluid which is flowing, let me say the fluid which is flowing, it is having pressure P. The fluid which is flowing, it is having pressure P. And let me say the density of the fluid is rho or rho F. Density of the fluid is rho F. ध्यान से देख लेना. Let me assume this distance is h. This distance is h. This distance is h. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. The top end of the piezometer, it is open to atmosphere. Yes or no? Yes or no? Bolo re baba. Top end of the piezometer, is it open to atmosphere? Yes. It's open to atmosphere. Now, if it is open to atmosphere, what will be the pressure acting here? P ATM local. Now listen carefully. If I want to measure this P, can you tell me what I'm going to get? If I want to measure this P, can I write? P is equal to the pressure which I'm having here is equal to what? The pressure which is on the top. How much is the pressure on the top? Anyone in the class? How much is the pressure on the top? Bolo re baba. How much is the pressure on the top? P ATM local. Plus what? Anyone in the class? Plus pressure due to this column of the fluid. How much will be the pressure due to this column of the fluid? Rho GH. Yes, rho F GH. Now listen carefully. You will be having one beautiful concept. Here the fluid is static, but you can observe inside the pipe, fluid is not static, it is continuously moving. But still I'm assuming, look at here, I told you clearly, whenever I'm having pipe flow, if the streamlines are straight streamlines, we can find the pressure difference by applying the hydrostatic law. So basically here the pressure difference will be behaving like static fluid, hydrostatic law. So basically what I'm getting is, if you observe carefully, observe carefully, P is equal to what? P ATM local plus what? Density of the fluid G into H. So I can write P minus P ATM local. So I can write P minus P ATM local is equal to rho F G H, and this is basically the gauge pressure. Rho F G H. Fine. That's how I'm going to measure the gauge pressure. अब ध्यान से सुन लेना. Now listen carefully. First of all, let us suppose this flowing fluid is gas. Then what is your observation? If this flowing fluid is gas, what is your observation? Bolo re baba. What will be your observation? If this flowing fluid is gas, what will happen? Yes, density is very less, but what will happen? If gas is flowing, it will pass through this piezometer and it will escape from the end. It will escape from this end. Yes or no? Yes. That is the first drawback. That is the first drawback of piezometer. That is the first drawback of piezometer. Piezometers cannot be used. Piezometers can't be used for measuring the pressure of gas because gases will escape out from this particular open end. Is it clear to everyone? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Is it clear to everyone? You cannot use piezometer for gas. Why? Because the gases will escape from this open end. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Yes, 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 yes. अरे यहां से बाहर निकल जाएगा ना, यहां से बाहर निकल जाएगा रे बाबा। गैस है ना, गैस तो ऐसे पास होके बाहर निकल जाएगी। अरे गैस को आप रख सकते हो क्या खुले कंटेनर में? नहीं, वो तो बाहर निकल जाएगी रे बाबा, गैस तो बाहर निकल जाएगी। सेकंड थिंग, लिसन केयरफुली। Can you use piezometer for measuring the vacuum pressure? Vacuum pressure, vacuum pressure. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Oh my God, sunshine, green tea, and Negi sir's class. What a combination! What a combination! Beautiful combination. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Can I use this piezometer for measuring the vacuum pressure? No, 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 no. We cannot use. We cannot use. Why? Why? Because if the inside pressure is less, local atmospheric pressure is more. What will happen if the inside pressure, the pressure of the inside fluid is less, local atmospheric pressure is more? What will happen? Air will enter, atmospheric air will enter the pipe, atmospheric air will be getting sucked in. Yes, so you cannot use for measuring the vacuum pressure also. That means piezometers cannot be used for measuring the vacuum pressure. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, if the outside pressure is more, inside the pipe pressure is less, so what will happen? The outside atmospheric air will be entering the pipe. Yes, yes, so you cannot measure, yes, air will go inside. थर्ड थिंग देख लेना बेटा, तीसरी चीज देख लेना बेटा। लिसन केयरफुली। कैन यू ऑब्जर्व वन थिंग? कैन यू ऑब्जर्व वन थिंग? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ एच फ्रॉम हियर? यहां से एच की वैल्यू क्या होगी बेटा? यहां से एच की वैल्यू क्या होगी? एच विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? पीजी बाय व्हाट? रो एफ जी। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, लिसन केयरफुली। इफ pressure is very high, gas pressure is very high. Let us suppose gas pressure of the flowing liquid is very high. If this gas pressure of the flowing liquid is very high, these are fixed. Whatever the liquid is flowing, it will be having some constant density. It will be having, these are the fixed. These are the fixed things. These are the fixed things. So if the gas pressure of the flowing liquid is very high, what will happen to H? H will be very high or very small? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. This H will be very high or very small? Yes, yes, H is very high. What is the meaning of this? H is very high means what? अगर ये H very high है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? अगर ये H very high है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा। If this H is very high, or my Pritam pyare, this H is 1 kilometer. This H is coming 1 kilometer. Will you make the glass tube of 1 kilometer? My Pritam pyare, will you make the glass tube of? No, 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 re baba, no, 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 no. Are one, oh ho ho ho. Those who are saying 1 kilometer, try to understand the physical meaning of 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer long, that to glass tube. That to glass. No, 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 no. That means yes, that means we cannot use piezometer for measuring very, very, very high pressures. Small pressures, moderate pressures we can measure, but when it comes to very high pressure, you cannot measure. Piezometer saying hands up, I cannot do anything. Sorry, I cannot do anything. So what are the drawbacks of piezometer we are having? What are the drawbacks of the piezometer we are having? First drawback, it cannot be used for gas because gas will come out from the open end. It cannot be used for measuring the vacuum pressure because air will be sucked in. It cannot be used for measuring very high gas pressures because you need very long, very tall piezometer, which is not Now my Pritam Pyare is completely disappointed. He came to me. He came to me. Sir, I have given some solution to industry people, but this piezometer is not working in these three cases. What to do? What to do? Pritam Pyare came to me. Then I told Pritam Pyare, give me 1 hour. I will give you the solution. Give me 1 hour. I will be giving you the solution. मैं प्रीतम प्यारे को सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूं. Let us see. Yes, 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 yes. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Yes, yes. Look at here. Look at here. Piezometer. Piezometer can't be used for gases since gas will escape from the other end, which is open to atmosphere. Alone piezometer can't be used for measuring vacuum pressure. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ और सिर्फ piezometer है, if you are trying to measure the pressure with the help of piezometer only, you cannot measure the vacuum pressure. Piezometer can't be used. Piezometer can't be used for measuring high pressure since it will require very large length of the piezometer. तो यहां से क्या हुआ? यहां से क्या हुआ? मैंने एक सॉल्यूशन दिया, मैंने एक कंक्लूजन दिया. कैन आई से piezometers are used. Piezometers are used for measuring. Piezometers are used for measuring low to moderate. Piezometers are used for measuring low to moderate gauge pressure of liquid only. Bolo re baba, are you clear with the conclusion? Piezometers are used for measuring low to moderate gauge pressure, positive gauge pressure of liquid only. Arre bol re baba, jhamajam concept of the piezometer. Are you clear with this? Are you clear with this? Are you clear this with this? Bolo re baba. यस यस बेटा सिद्धार्थ, आई विल टेल. यहां तक पीजोमीटर की कहानी खत्म हो गई. यहां तक पीजोमीटर की कहानी खत्म हो गई. अब मेरा प्रीतम प्यारे, नाउ माय प्रीतम प्यारे इज requesting me, sir, these industry people, they are not leaving me, sir. They are asking, give some solution so that we can measure the gauge pressure, give some solution so that we can measure the vacuum pressure, give some solution so that we can measure the gas pressure, give some solution so that we can measure the very high pressures also. Now I want to help Pritam Pyare, so I'm thinking. Okay, Pritam Pyare, I will give you solution. Oh my God! Suddenly one beautiful solution came in my mind, and I told Pritam Pyare, you go and you use YouTube manometer. Pritam Pyare को solution दे दिया जी. Pritam Pyare को I have given the solution. To Pritam Pyare. Pritam Pyare, go and use YouTube manometer. Pritam Pyare, huh? Sir, what is this YouTube manometer? I don't know. Sir, what is? Pritam Pyare, I will be telling you what is YouTube manometer. See my class. I will be telling you. Don't worry, Pritam Pyare. Don't worry. I will be telling you what is YouTube manometer. अब मैंने प्रीतम प्यारे को YouTube manometer बताना स्टार्ट किया. क्या होता है? देखो. So Pritam Pyare, my Pritam Pyare, YouTube manometer is like this. Yes. Pritam Pyare को मैंने help करना start कर दिया. Yes. I'm helping Pritam Pyare. My Pritam Pyare, your YouTube manometer looks like this. Look at here. This is kind of YouTube. Arre, what a beautiful diagram for my Pritam Pyare. Wow, मजा आ गया. Wow, what a beauty. What a beautiful thing. Oh my God. Excellent. देखो. This is the YouTube. Now listen carefully. Yes. मैंने बोला प्रीतम प्यारे, this is YouTube, and you do one thing. You put some heavy liquid over here. Pritam Pyare was asking, sir, heavy liquid means what? Sir, heavy liquid means what? My Pritam Pyare, the meaning of heavy liquid is high density. You put some liquid which is having high density. Pritam Pyare, I need not to tell you. You know there is a liquid which is having very high density. Sir, which liquid? Pritam Pyare, mercury. And Pritam Pyare started calling this fluid as manometric fluid. So my friend, this is known as manometric fluid. Now look at here. This left part of the YouTube is known as left limb. इसको आप left limb बोलते हैं. This is your left limb. This is your left limb, and this right part is known as right limb. This right part is known as right limb. Right limb. अब देखो ध्यान से. Pritam Pyare is asking me, sir, how to measure the pressure with this? Don't worry, beta Pritam Pyare. I will be telling you how to measure the pressure with the help of this YouTube manometer. I will be telling you. Don't worry. Sai, welcome, beta. Sai, welcome. Sai, welcome. Welcome, welcome to the Jama Jam Sunday. Jama Jam Fluidi Sunday. I welcome all of you, those who are live right now, to the Jama Jam Fluidi Sunday. We have discussed the concept of piezometer. Now we are discussing the concept of YouTube manometer. So in YouTube manometer, what happens? We are having one YouTube, and this YouTube is having very high density liquid, which is also known as manometric fluid. Oh my God! Oh my God! अब देखो ध्यान से. अब देखो ध्यान से. कैसे मेजर करेंगे? कैसे मेजर करेंगे with the help of this YouTube manometer? देखिए, देखिए. Now observe carefully. Observe carefully. This is the pipeline. This is the pipeline. This is the pipeline. अरे बाबा, this is the pipeline. ये देखो, कोई पूछता कैसा pipeline है सर? कैसा अरे ऐसा है रे बाबा. Like this, I am having the pipeline. So you are seeing the circle. You are seeing the circle. Now look at here. Now look at here. What will happen? I drilled some hole and I attached some extension. मैंने कुछ extension attach कर दिया. मैंने कुछ extension attach कर दिया. What a beauty! What a beauty! Look at here carefully, my friends. This is your YouTube manometer. This is your YouTube manometer. Fine, fine, fine. ऐसा है, ऐसा है. Now look at here. What happens? What happens? Please observe carefully. Yes, this is your YouTube manometer. This is your YouTube manometer. Now look at here. What happens? We are connecting them. Oh my God. With the help of this attachment, what I'm doing is I'm connecting this YouTube manometer to the pipe. Now listen carefully. Earlier the level was like this. Earlier the level of the liquid was like this. This was the level of manometric fluid in both limbs, equal level. Now anyone in the class, any intelligent student of the class can tell me what will happen to the manometric fluid level on the right limb. What will happen to the manometric fluid level on right limb? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Yes, 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 yes. Excellent, excellent. It will go up. It will go up. My Pritam Pyare, before giving the answer, you people should understand one thing. Look at here, look at here. Here the pressure is a PATM local. Here the pressure is PATM local. How much is the pressure here? How much is the pressure here? P. Anyone in the class can tell me if P is greater than PATM local. अगर P ज्यादा है PATM local से, तो क्या होगा? What will happen to the manometric fluid in right limb? Of course, it will rise. It will rise. But if P is less than PATM local, if P is less than PATM local, what will happen? 100% on the right limb, the level of manometric fluid will fall. So whenever someone is asking you such question, you have to ask, sir, whether P is more than PATM local or P is less than PATM local. आपको पूछना है, you have to ask which one is more, then only you can say. So देखो, let me say I'm taking case one where P is more than PATM local. If P is more than PATM local, you people are absolutely correct. You people are absolutely correct. What will happen? Here the manometric fluid level will fall. Here on the left limb, manometric fluid level will fall. Here on the left limb, your manometric fluid level will fall. Whereas on the right limb, what will happen? Manometric fluid level will rise. Listen carefully. There is one beautiful concept. Whatever is the fall, same will be equal to rise. देखो ध्यान से, जितना भी left limb में fall हुआ, whatever is the fall of manometric fluid level in left limb, same will be the rise of manometric fluid level in right limb. Yes, yes, fall is equal to rise, and this is known as manometric deflection. जितना difference आ गया, it is known as manometric deflection. So sometimes people are using this distance, they are calling this distance as what? Manometric deflection. Now listen carefully. याद रखना, I have told you, whenever I'm drawing red ink, whenever I'm representing some fluid with red ink, you have to understand that is what? Manometric fluid. Let me say in this pipe some fluid is flowing. Let me say in this pipe some fluid is flowing which is represented by this blue ink. Let me say which is represented by this blue ink. अगर इस blue ink से represent हुआ है, so what will happen? Here you will be having the same blue fluid. Here you will be having the same blue fluid. This fluid you will be having in the left limb. This fluid you will be having in the left limb. Let me say it is having density of rho f. As usual, let me say this manometric fluid is having the density of rho m. Now I'm asking you one question. Let us suppose, ध्यान से सुन लेना. Let us suppose I'm taking one point here. I'm taking one point here. I'm taking another point here. Can I say the pressure will be same at both points? Can I say pressure will be same at both points? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. If I'm taking one point here, if I'm taking another point here, can I say pressure will be same at both points? No, 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 no. I cannot say. I cannot say. Why? Why? Why I can't say pressure will be same at both limbs? क्यों नहीं बोल सकता मैं? Yes, yes. Look at here. Look at here. This point and this point, if you see, this point is in blue fluid, this point is in red fluid. Both the points are connected by the different fluid, not by the same fluid. So यहाँ पर तो reference plane नहीं ले सकते. We cannot take the reference plane here. Now look at here. Look at here. Can I take the reference plane here? Can I take the reference plane here? बोलो रे बाबा, यहाँ पर ले सकते हैं क्या? Can I take the reference plane here? Yes, yes, I can take the reference plane here. Yes, I can take the reference plane here. Very good, my friends, very good. Let me say this distance is x. Let me say this distance is x. Let me say ये जो distance है ये x है. Let me say this distance is y. This distance is y. Now listen carefully. Yes, yes, very good, my friends, very good, excellent. ये वाला distance मान लीजिए y है. So of course I can take this point as 1. Let us suppose I'm taking this point as 1. Let us suppose I'm taking this point as 2. 100% I can write. 100% I can write P1 is equal to P2. Now any intelligent student of the class, can tell me what will be P1. Bolo re baba, what will be P1? I'm waiting for your answer. Bolo re baba, I'm seeing the chat box. What will be P1? P1 will be what? The pressure is P here. 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 Plus what? Plus what? P plus what? P plus what? Bolo re baba. P plus what? Yes, rho f gx. Are the pressure here is P plus the pressure because of this liquid column. Pressure because of this fluid column. Pressure because of this fluid column. So how much will be the pressure because of this fluid column? Rho f gx. So P1 is equal to P. P1 is equal to P plus rho f gx is equal to P2. Any intelligent student of the class, what will be P2 beta? What will be P2? Bolo re baba. Type in chat box what will be P2. What will be P2? Type in chat box re baba. What will be P2? Bolo re baba. Yes. P2 will be equal to what? P ATM local plus what? Rho m gy. So can I write P minus P ATM local. P minus P ATM local is equal to rho m gy minus rho f gx. Now this is your gauge pressure. So basically I can measure the gauge pressure. Gauge pressure will be equal to what? Rho m gy minus rho f gx. That's how we are going to measure the gauge pressure. I hope everyone is clear. तो बताओ मुझे कौन सी रीडिंग चाहिए? Can you tell me what are the readings I need? For measuring gauge pressure? क्या रीडिंग चाहिए? What are the readings I should take to measure the gauge pressure of the fluid which is flowing through the pipe? Yes, excellent. These are the two readings I have to take. To measure the gauge pressure, to calculate the gauge pressure. These are the readings required. Very good, my friends. Very good. Excellent student. Now look at here. This is the situation when P is greater than P ATM local. अरे बाबा, it is also possible ना. P ATM local is greater than P. उसमें क्या होगा? देखो, second case I'm taking. Let us suppose P is less than P ATM local. Can you tell me what will happen? If P is less than P ATM local? Type in chat box what will happen. What do you think if P is less than P ATM local? What do you think what will happen? बोलो रे बाबा, type in chat box. क्या होगा उस केस में? क्या होगा रे बाबा उस केस में? बोलो बोलो बोलो, टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स व्हाट विल हैपन. एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट. यस यस यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, यस. On the right limb the manometric fluid level will fall, whereas it will rise in left limb. देखो ध्यान से दिखा रहा हूं आपको, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. वाह वाह, व्हाट अ ब्यूटी, व्हाट अ ब्यूटी. थोड़ा सा मोटी हो गई, थोड़ा पतला करते हैं इसको. यस, इट इज लुकिंग नाइस, इट इज लुकिंग नाइस. फाइन फाइन फाइन. नाउ लुक एट हियर, लुक एट हियर. व्हाट अ ब्यूटी, व्हाट अ. आप लोग के लिए इतने बेहतरीन. पता है जिस दिन मूड होता है ना, व्हेन आई एम इन फुल मूड, इवन द डायग्राम्स विल लुक वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. इवन द डायग्राम्स विल कम वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आज तो फुल मूड में है भाई. अगर आप लोग का अटेंडेंस अच्छा रहेगा, आई एम टेलिंग यू, today itself I will complete hydrostatic forces so that your syllabus will be completed as soon as possible. As far as fluid mechanics is concerned, I am responsible only for fluid mechanics. I'm telling you from the day one. Don't tell me sir this or that. If you want that, you come on, plus I am taking the classes over there for those things also. Yes yes yes, dekho dekho dekho, this is the case. Now look at here. Let me say earlier level was like this. Let me say, my friends, earlier level was like this. This was the earlier level of the manometric fluid. Now since the fluid which is flowing, is having lesser pressure, and this PATM local is more, what will happen? The level, the manometric fluid level will fall in right limb. Right limb में कम हो जाएगा, right limb में कम हो जाएगा, right limb में कम हो जाएगा. And it will rise in left limb, it will rise in left limb, it will rise in left limb, it will rise in left limb. Yes 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 yes. Now listen carefully. अगर मान लीजिए, let us suppose I need to take the reference plane, where the reference plane will come lowest interface पर. So where is the lowest interface? This is the lowest interface. थोड़ा सा ऊपर बना देते हैं. Yeah, और beautiful beautiful, this is your reference plane my friends. I have told you in my earlier classes how to take the reference plane. Wherever you are having the lowest interface, you can take the reference plane there. This is my reference plane, this is my reference plane. Now beautifully you observe my friends, beautifully you observe. Here what will happen? अरे यहाँ पर क्या होगा आपके पास? What are you going to have here? What are you going to have here? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Here the flowing fluid you will be having. Here you will be having the flowing fluid. Yes yes yes, you will be having the flowing fluid. Here you will be having the flowing fluid. Now let me say, एक बार ध्यान से देख लेना. Let me say this dimension. Let me say this dimension is x. Let me say this dimension is x, and let me say this dimension is y. Let me say this dimension is y. Any intelligent student of the class, देखो ये y है. Let us suppose this is y. Let me say this is x. Let me say this is x. Let me say this is x. Now, can you tell me, if I'm taking 2 points here, point one, point number one, point number one, point number two, can I write P1 is equal to P2? क्या मैं लिख सकता हूं P1 is equal to P2? बोलो रे बाबा, can I write P1 is equal to P2? Can I write P1 is equal to P2? Can I write P1? What will be P1? Good morning everyone, good morning Swapnil. What will be P1? Anyone in the class, what will be P1? बोलो रे बाबा, P1 क्या होगा? Very good Chaitanya, welcome. Yes, P1 will be equal to P plus what? P plus what रे बाबा? Rho f G y. Rho f. What is this rho f? This rho f is rho f is the density of this fluid. Rho f is the density of this fluid which is flowing through the pipe, and rho m is the density of the manometric fluid. Don't be confused with that. I will not write again. Look at here. Rho f Gy plus what? Rho m Gx. Beautiful. Is equal to what? P2 is what? P2 is P2 is what? My Pritam pyare, what is P2? Bola re baba. What is P2? Oh my god. Yes. I am very surprised to see so many plus students are also watching the class. Oh my god. Ananya, don't kasai. Oh ho. ये तो सारे ही प्लस वाले आ गए रे बाबा. ग्रीष्मा. ओके, सब प्लस वाले आ गए. ऐसे कैसे देखते हो आप? देखो, इनको रिवीजन भी करना है, इनको प्लस वहां भी करना है, यहां भी करना है. माय गॉड. ओ हो. साई किरण. अरे ये तो सब प्लस वाले हैं रे बाबा, ये सब प्लस वाले हैं. सो व्हाट इज देयर? Look at here. PATM local, PATM local minus P will be equal to what? Rho F G, or you can write rho M G X plus rho F G Y. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Yes, yes. Why? PATM local minus P will be what? PATM local minus P will be what? Anyone in the class? This will be equal to what? वैक्यूम प्रेशर, नॉट गेज प्रेशर बेटा, नॉट गेज प्रेशर. ध्यान से देख लेना, गेज प्रेशर कॉन्सेप्ट कम्स, positive gauge pressure, let me be very specific, positive gauge pressure concept comes into the picture when P is greater than PATM local. If P is less than PATM local, then you will be having the concept of vacuum pressure. So vacuum pressure is equal to what? Vacuum pressure is equal to what? Rho mgx plus rho fgy, and that's how you can measure the vacuum pressure. Ab sun lena, yes, negative gauge pressure or vacuum pressure, yes, absolutely correct. Now you tell me, what are the readings you need? What are the readings you need? What are the readings you need for measuring the vacuum pressure? Yes, X and Y. These are the readings I should have. These are the readings I should have for measuring the vacuum pressure. अब ध्यान से देख लेना, ध्यान से देख लेना. What was the drawback? What was the drawback of piezometers? What was the first drawback of piezometer? What was the first drawback of piezometer? We cannot measure the gauge pressure. We cannot measure the gauge pressure. Sorry, we cannot measure the gas pressure. We cannot measure the gas pressure because gas was escaping out. But here I can measure the gas pressure. Here I can measure the gas pressure now, because in between I am having manometric fluid. In between I am having manometric fluid. So let us suppose in this pipe I am having gas flow. Let us suppose in this pipe gas is flowing. So what will happen? Gas will come, 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 and gas will stop here. It cannot escape. It cannot escape. It cannot go out. So first drawback is clear. First drawback is clear. No problem. No problem, my friends. I can measure the gas pressure also. What was second? What was second? What was second? What was the second drawback? I cannot measure the vacuum pressure in case of piezometer. But you see here, I'm able to measure the vacuum pressure. I'm able to measure the vacuum pressure. Easily I can measure the vacuum pressure. Acha, sun lena. So many students will be having this doubt. So many students will be having this doubt. Sir, if mercury is rising and coming out, sir, if mercury is going inside, going out, going, it will, or if such things are happening, you increase the length of your YouTube manometer, you make it little large. अरे यहाँ से बाहर निकल रहा है या यहाँ से अंदर जा रहा है, तो गड़बड़ किसमें है? आपके YouTube मैनोमीटर में. उसको लंबा करो रे बाबा. आपका YouTube छोटा है, उसको लंबा करो रे बाबा, लंबू बनाओ रे बाबा, लंबू. छोटू से काम नहीं होता, लंबू बनाओ रे बाबा. हाँ, लंबू बनाओ रे बाबा. हाँ, मजा. हाँ, लंबू बनाओ. अमिताभ, यस. हाँ, तपस्या करो, योगा करो. यस. Binds is FM revolution. Now listen carefully. The third problem was I cannot measure very high pressures, but that drawback is also resolved here. I'm not talking about very high pressure. For those things we are having other devices. I'm not going to discuss that. But here we can measure the high pressures also. I will be telling you how. Look at here, my friends. What happens? The density of this manometric fluid is very high. Look at here. What is the formula? Try to understand, my friends. अगर आप देखेंगे, if you see carefully, PG is rho m gy minus rho f gx. So what happens? This density of the manometric fluid is very high. This density of manometric fluid is very high. So what happens if this is very high? The deflection of manometric fluid, this y is very less. So you don't need very tall YouTube manometers, because the fact that manometric fluid is having very large density, very high density, because of that the deflection of the manometric fluid is very less. So you are able to cop up the third limitation of the piezometer also. Now look at here. Look at here. Now look at here. Yes, 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 yes. चलो हाई लो तो लो लिख देते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, लो लिख देते हैं बेटा. नाउ लुक एट हियर, लुक एट हियर. Pritam Pyare was very happy. Pritam Pyare was very happy. Sir, I have given the solution of U2 manometer. Now these industry people are very happy, very satisfied. They are giving me prizes. They are giving me so many gifts. They are saying, Pritam Pyare, you are very intelligent. Pritam Pyare, we are very happy with you. प्रीतम प्यारे की जिंदगी चमक गई, प्रीतम प्यारे की किस्मत चमक गई. लाइफ हैव चेंज लाइक एनीथिंग. हाँ, बट एक दिन प्रीतम प्यारे, 2 महीने बाद प्रीतम प्यारे अगेन केम टू मी. Sir, these industry people got new problem. I asked him, these industry people got new problem means what? What happened? Sir, 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 what is happening? When they are taking the vacuum pressure reading, no problem. No problem. Sir, for vacuum pressure, you see, for measuring the vacuum pressure, what you need? For measuring the vacuum pressure, what you need? You need X and Y. Sir, for vacuum pressure, no problem. Sir, for vacuum pressure, no problem. The reading is coming on left limb only. So only Changu is able to read is able to take the reading. No problem, sir. For vacuum pressure, no problem. But what is happening, sir, in gauge pressure, one reading is coming on left limb, another reading is coming on right limb. So what is happening, for measuring the gauge pressure, they need XY reading. For X, they need Changu. For Y, they need Mangu. Babare baba. That means double dhamaka. They are giving salary to Changu also. They are giving salary to Mangu also. Arre, re, re, re. What is the limitation? Are you able to understand? When they are measuring the positive gauge pressure, they need two readings, X and Y. In case of positive gauge pressure, the X reading is coming on left limb, Y reading is coming on right limb, and Changu alone cannot do this work. So he needs Mangu also. And you know, they are so cunning people. They are very cunning people, Changu Mangu. For 5 minutes work, they will be roaming here and there, and they will be taking their manager. Sir, we are taking the reading. They are drinking the tea. They are drinking the coffee, and they are saying, sir, we are on work. Changu Mangu, deadly combination. No people, no person should have them. No industry, Changu Mangu. Yes, yes, yes. They no one should have them. They will ruin the company like anything. They are not working at all. For one simple reading, they are saying, sir, we need 5-6 hours for. What is there in reading? Now, industry people came to our Pritam Pyare. Pritam Pyare, do something. We are fed up with this Changu and Mangu jodi. We don't want this Changu and Mangu. And no more we want this Changu and Mangu. I want to keep only one person. Nangu we want to keep. Changu Mangu we don't want to keep. New person, Nangu we will keep. तो यहां से नंगू की कहानी स्टार्ट होती है. तो प्रीतम प्यारे came to me, sir, what to do? Sir, what to do? Then I told Pritam Pyare, give me 1 hour. Pritam Pyare, give me 1 hour. I will think something for you. And then after 1 hour, I came to one beautiful conclusion. Pritam Pyare, let us use single column manometer. Pritam Pyare, sir, what is the single column manometer? All right, Pritam Pyare, for that you have to see the another class. 11:30 a.m. class you have to see, then only you will come to know what is single column manometer. Oh sir, what is single column manometer? I will not tell right now, my Pritam Pyare. For that you have to come at 11:30 a.m. and I will be discussing the single column manometer over there. Yes, are you getting what I'm saying? Oh ho ho. Yes, incredible. Okay. Yes, birth of Nangu has taken place. Yes, newly Nangu has born. अरे अभी तक चंगू मंगू थे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में, अब नंगू साहब भी आ गए हैं. और देखो अब नंगू साहब कैसे काम करते हैं सिंगल कॉलम मैनोमीटर में. यस, नंगू साहब विल कम इनटू द पिक्चर एट व्हाट टाइम? 11:30 am. देखो जिन लोगों को आइडिया नहीं है, those who are coming first time for my class, today is the Jhamajam Fluidy Sunday. I have taken this class. Now 11:30 am I will be starting the second class, then 3 p.m, then 4:30 p.m, then 8 p.m, and if attendance goes well, I will be discussing I will be taking 2 more classes, and I will be discussing the hydrostatic forces also. Are you ready? Bolo re baba, are you ready? Are you ready for the Jhamajam classes? यस यस सर, प्लीज इंक्रीज द क्लास टाइम फॉर 2 hours. ओ माय गॉड, ऐसी ऐसी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है सर, 2 घंटा पढ़ा दो सर, 2 घंटा पढ़ा दो. अरे आई एम रेडी, इफ यू पीपल आर रेडी, आई एम रेडी, आई एम रेडी, आई एम रेडी, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम. बोलो, आप बोलो. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक चीज, you have to maintain the attendance, you have to come live, then only I will be taking, you have to come live, then only I will be taking, no problem, no problem. PYQ of GATE I'm solving बेटा, PYQ of GATE I'm solving. देखो, जो लोग अनअकैडमी प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना चाह रहे हैं, listen carefully, there is only one code which is applicable for you people. आप लोगों को एक ही कोड यूज करना है. What is the code? What is the code? बोल रहे पापा, बोल रहे पापा. What is the code? What is the code? NEGI 10. Those who are in third semester, we are having the separate batch for them. Those who are in fifth semester, we are having separate batch for them. Those who are in final year or passed out student, for them we are having a separate batch. कैसे ज्वाइन करना है, कैसे क्या करना है, आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू, डोंट वरी, यू विल बी कमिंग इन डायरेक्ट गाइडेंस ऑफ माइन. एंड दिस इज माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर. ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए, आपको तुरंत अनअकैडमी प्लस पर ज्वाइन करवाता हूं. एंड आई विल मेक श्योर योर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू. यस यस यस. कैसे ज्वाइन करना है? गेट एंड ईएससी पर क्लिक कीजिए, गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन पर क्लिक कीजिए. ऑफ कोर्स, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 2021 कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, 12 months 2022 कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, 24 months, and you have to use this code. What is this? Or this is not only the code, it's an emotion. It's an emotion which connects me to you, which connects me to you, which connects Negi sir to Negi soldiers, which connects Jhamajam classes to Jhamajam learning. So it's not a code, it's not a code, it's a bonding between us, it's an emotion between us. Yes 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 yes. Very soon, very soon, very soon. Sir, can I pay in installments? Yes, you can pay in installments also if you are having any credit card, HDFC Bank debit card or Bajaj Finserv card you are having. Sir, what are the benefits? You know, my friends, you will be getting the live classes, you will be getting the batches in Hindi and English. Those who are my students from the South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, from Telangana, from Karnataka, don't worry, I'm sitting here. From Odisha, I'm sitting here, don't worry. I will make sure your classes are getting conducted in English also. We are running the batches in English also. Don't worry, don't worry. And this is my profile on Unacademy Plus. Rank 10th educator, rank 11th educator as of now. Yes, yes, yes. And look at here. The moment you are joining Negi 10, जैसे ही आप Unacademy Plus पर आते हैं, Negi 10 code use करके, what will happen to you? You will be getting the doubt clearing groups. You will be getting the doubt clearing sessions. You will be getting the personalized guidance of Negi sir, who is All India Rank 1 2019, 2020 in Engineering Sciences paper, who is leading this Mission GATE and ESC team. Who is leading this Mission GATE and ESC team? Of course, one-to-one interaction will be there. Fine, fine. Chalo, chalo. Yes, yes, yes. And this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me over here. This is my contact details. You can call me over here. 8292244719. Send me the WhatsApp over here. I will see you there in class at 11:30 AM. उससे पहले ही entry मार लो and kindly forward it to all the students. सबको फॉरवर्ड कर दो रे बाबा, सबको फॉरवर्ड कर दो, सबको मजा आना चाहिए, सबको लर्निंग होने चाहिए. झमाझम क्लासेस, इफ यू कैन अफोर्ड. गेट 2021 की वेबसाइट ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुकी है. गेट 2021 वेबसाइट इज ऑलरेडी रिलीज. आपके पास केवल 6 महीने है. यू आर हैविंग ओनली 6 months. इफ स्टिल यू आर थिंकिंग, आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. Come on Unacademy Plus, come and join me and my team. We will make sure you are getting the ranks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. चलो, थम्स अप ढंग से दबाना रे बाबा. आपके डेडिकेशन चाहिए, आपके हेड्स चाहिए रे बाबा. यू पीपल आर नॉट गिविंग द हेड्स. काइंडली डेडिकेट द हेड्स. अभी क्या भी डेडिकेट करेंगे हेड. आपके पास 30 मिनट है हेड डेडिकेट करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. वी विल मीट एट 11:30 AM. मिलन मेरे को सेपरेटली भेज दो रे बाबा. झमाझम ब्रेक एंड वी विल बी मीटिंग एट 11:30 AM. थैंक यू सो मच. बिल्कुल अविनाश, बिल्कुल बेटा. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय, टेक केयर, बाय, टेक केयर.